Welcome to Ketelsen RV. It's our spring open house, and we've got about 40 units inside here. And one of them I'm really excited about is this brand new Reflection. It's Reflection 370 with the front living. So it's one we haven't had this before. You've got the nice steps on both ends. It'll have the Cooper tires with the upgraded MORryde suspension, or the Goodyear tires with the upgraded MORryde suspension. You got a great big basement up here in the front. You have two 30-pound LP tanks in this unit. But look at that storage. That's huge storage. Kind of walk inside here. One of the cool things too, these are the brand new MORryde steps, and you can fold them up and knock the dirt out. So when you put them in the unit, you don't get that dirt in the unit, which is nice. One of the problems with the older type steps. Walk in here. We'll go up in the living room. And you have two heated and massaging recliners right here. As well as two fold-out trifold sofas. So you've got two beds, extra beds for sleeping in it. Has the TV in the front, your fireplace, some nice storage. And it does have the radio that will actually play DVDs. So you don't have to have an extra DVD player if you've got the kids on a rainy day. Kind of walk down here in the kitchen area. Got your full-size microwave, 25-inch oven. So you've got a nice-size oven, 3-burner wrought iron cooktop, stainless steel undermounted sink with a pull-down spray nozzle. You've got your little breakfast nook right here. The ottoman will actually pull out. It has storage underneath it, and you can pull out, and if it's just two of you, put a chair on each side. Use it as a footbed or footrest. You've got a nice big pantry with a sliding door here. And lots of storage. You see all the storage in this unit. You've got countertop up there, outlets everywhere, and great big storage here. That's a ton of storage besides having the big pantry. And you've got a place down here that's big enough that you've got a nice place to put a garbage can that's out of the way. So many units, you don't have that capability. And kind of walk in here, pocket door, nice residential style shower, ceramic toilet, good storage. It's got cupboards up here, really nice storage up here. And in the bedroom here, this particular unit has a queen size bed. You can get a king size option in this. Has the nice, you have drawers, 4 drawers here, and they're great big deep drawers. Your nice big wardrobe with a motion sensor light in it. Nice storage underneath the bed. Great big storage area under there. And one of the things, if you notice in this unit, you look at the floors, all the way through the unit, there's no carpet. So it's all linoleum, all vinyl, so you can sweep it up all the way through. And then back here in the corner, you've got your other closet with the washer-dryer prep. So you can put a washer-dryer unit in here and more drawers. So this is our brand new Reflection 370 FLS. Any questions, please give me a call. It's Lindsay Butterfield at Ketelsen RV, 319-538-2240. Come out and see me. Have a great day.